Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox, and it's seen here today in the wonderful Tribeca blue. Let's start our journey from the front of this Evoque, where we'll find the pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. As we cascade down the side, we'll see further features courtesy of the dynamic exterior pack, such as your black bonnet louvers and your black side skirts, as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch gloss dark grey alloys with a diamond turned contrast. To the rear, you'll see the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. As we open, the powered tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a weekend's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their Ebony and Cloud duotone leather seats. Glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way driver memory heated electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. As we take a closer look now at your heated leather multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed, trip computer and your sat-nav. Advancing over now to your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which, as you can see, is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your reverse rear camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this large SUV is like second nature. You'll also be able to access heated seat functions as well as climate control systems, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. You'll also be able to access terrain response systems and further vehicle dynamics from within your entertainment screen. Lastly, to finalise our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching.